Okay, so the next one is finding the area of a triangle. So if we have, say, a triangle with base, and you can choose any of the three sides as the base, so I'm just going to pick the obvious one, the bottom one, as the base, and this perpendicular distance from the base to the opposite vertex is what we call the height of the triangle, or the altitude of the triangle, which is denoted by h. And if I denote the base with b, we get the area of a triangle is equal to a half b times h. Now you can recognize that b times h is the area of a parallelogram. So let's see how we get that. So if I draw a line parallel to the base, and just complete a parallelogram, then you see that how we have b as the base and the height h as the distance to the opposite side. So the area of a parallelogram we know is b times h, and this line, the diagonal of the parallelogram, is dividing it in exactly two halves. So that's why it's a half of b times h. So the area of the triangle is exactly half of that. So let's take an example in which we have to find the area of a triangle with base 12 meters. So let me just write this down here, 12 meters, and the height is equal to 6 meters. So again, it's a perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex, and it's 6. Let's quotient m there. And okay, so 6 meters. The area is equal to a half times 12 meters times 6 meters. And once you know all this, all you have to do is do the calculation, and that will be 36 meters squared.